recent years, the burgeoning popularity of cryptocurrencies has led to increased scrutiny of their environmental impact. With Bitcoin's energy-intensive mining process at the forefront of this discussion, concerns about sustainability have prompted a revaluation of the industry's practices. However, amidst these concerns, a new narrative is emerging, one that focuses on sustainability in the age of blockchain. The environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining. At the heart of the sustainability debate lies the process of cryptocurrency mining. In the case of Bitcoin and other proof-of-work cryptocurrencies, mining involves solving complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and secure the network. This process requires substantial computational power, which in turn consumes vast amounts of energy. The environmental impact of Bitcoin mining, in particular, has drawn criticism due to its reliance on fossil fuels. Many mining operations are located in regions where electricity is cheap, often fueled by coal or other non-renewable sources. This has led to concerns about carbon emissions and the overall contribution of cryptocurrencies to climate change. A paradigm shift in the crypto industry. Despite these challenges, the crypto industry is undergoing a transformative shift towards sustainability. This shift is driven by a combination of factors, including growing environmental awareness, regulatory pressure, and the desire for long-term viability. One of the most significant developments in this regard is the exploration of alternative consensus mechanisms. While proof-of-work remains the dominant protocol for many cryptocurrencies, projects are increasingly exploring alternatives such as proof-of-stake and delegated proof-of-stake. These consensus mechanisms require significantly less energy, making them more environmentally friendly alternatives to traditional mining. The rise of eco-friendly mining operations. In addition to exploring alternative consensus mechanisms, the crypto industry is also witnessing the rise of eco-friendly mining operations. These operations leverage renewable energy sources, such as hydroelectric, solar, and wind power to power their mining activities. By harnessing clean energy, these operations not only reduce their carbon footprint, but also contribute to the growth of sustainable energy infrastructure. Examples of eco-friendly mining operations can be found around the world. In regions with abundant renewable energy resources, such as Scandinavia and Iceland, mining farms are powered almost entirely by clean energy, integrating sustainability into blockchain projects. Beyond mining, sustainability is also becoming a core principle for many blockchain projects. From protocol design to governance structures, projects are incorporating sustainability into their DNA in various ways. One approach is the integration of carbon offset programs. Some projects allocate a portion of their revenue or token supply towards funding carbon offset initiatives, effectively neutralizing the carbon emissions associated with their operations. Another approach is the development of energy-efficient protocols. Projects are actively researching and implementing new consensus mechanisms and network architectures that require less energy to operate. Regulatory considerations and market trends. Regulatory considerations also play a significant role in shaping the sustainability landscape within the crypto industry. Governments around the world are increasingly focusing on environmental issues, with some jurisdictions imposing stricter regulations on energy-intensive industries, including cryptocurrency mining. In response to regulatory pressure, many crypto companies are proactively adopting sustainability measures to ensure compliance and mitigate risks. This includes conducting environmental impact assessments, implementing energy-efficient technologies, and partnering with renewable energy providers toward a greener future. In conclusion, sustainability is increasingly becoming a focal point for the crypto industry as it navigates the challenges of environmental impact and regulatory scrutiny. While the industry has faced criticism for its energy-intensive practices, there is growing recognition of the need to address these concerns and embrace more sustainable alternatives. From the exploration of alternative consensus mechanisms to the rise of eco-friendly mining operations and the integration of sustainability into blockchain projects, there are numerous initiatives underway to promote sustainability in the age of blockchain. By embracing these initiatives and working collaboratively towards a greener future, the crypto industry can continue to innovate and thrive while minimizing its environmental footprint. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up on subscribe button if you found this video informative and exciting. We love hearing from you, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.